we going, kids?
Lobo!
Lobo! We got ready in 2 hours. Less than 2 hours now. We're heading to the Agla Road. Guys, I'm not gonna vlog the whole time. The road is ugly. It's a zigzag, so I'll see you in Lobo Beach when I get there. Alright guys, bye bye. Ugly. That's a zigzag road. heaven. God in heaven. This angel watching. See this ugly road, guys. That's why I'm not coming back in Lubog. Welcome to Lubog. Ayan na. Ito na yung bituka ni Manok. Meron pa tayong gano. Pati snaras ba? Oh yan, ganun kaya naman sa portion. Ayaw na namin dumaan. Ayaw niya dumaan na pabalik. Kasi parang one way siya. Pag may nagkasalubong ay mga viewers, mga guys, tinan naman din niya Danny yan. Kaya pa kayo nagpunta dito, you guys come over here, you guys have to have a good condition with your vehicle or motor and drive carefully because the road is really little curve. It looks like a chicken intestine. At least the road here is a little bit bigger. 2 lanes. Oh, sobrang wide mo yan. Grabe naman pagka-wide mo yan. Woo! Wow! Daan tayo galing. Now, if you're driving stick shift, so go back over there. Pag nagkano ka sa clutch. Good thing he's a good driver. Yan nakakatakot for landslide right here. Yang sino? Oh, nauntog na naman. I heard some head. Kaboom. Maligid natin yan ang asawa ko. My hand is belly small na, wala kayo. Gutom na yan, laka. Mabuklak na. Hala. Wow! Now we're going up. My goodness. Ano ba naman yan? Oh!
Lumayo kasi sila nasilip. Pero may kita mo na sa namasilip. Hindi na lang kung talaga yung uno mo.
Look at that dangerous house. Oh, wow! No, they built those houses probably before nag-road widening. Nung nag-road widening, nasakop yung kanilang sides. There it is, guys. You guys see the ocean over there? Down there! We're finally almost there. We have 3.3 kilometers. Now we're going to downhill road time. Mga nahihilo.
Walang nahihilo.
Wala po. Oo. Kasusukad yan. Lagot kakalolo ka. Ang cool. Oh. Look at that. Look at that view. Welcome to Lubog, guys. It's a Lubog. It's a pain in the butt to come up here. I know. He's already quiet. That means he's hungry. That means my honey is hungry. He's not laughing anymore. I see his eyebrows different color now. Look. Honey, you okay? You look hungry now. I only give him one bread. Oh my gosh! Pag nakita mo nga yung mga vloggers dito, yung mga motor, sus!
Bebe King na to.
Oh my, taas niyan. Mataas yan.
Small naman ang dito, daan. Kaya na wider, ngayon.
Ooh, look at this, guys.
Payat na daan.
Nakapunta ka din ng Labaw.
Hello,
Yoo!
second time.
Last time? 50 years ago. The last time we were here, maraming taon na 6. Maybe 10 years ago, huh? That is cool. Yeah, done with the race. Labaw. That's cute. That's a cute building. Oh, that's a nice building.
Turn right onto the Tagus, Tolonga, Lobo Road, Rizal Street.
Welcome to Labaw.
Friends left back there.
Continue
Is
on
it-
to Tagus, Tolonga, Lobo Road,
Tobago? 2 kilometers. So they said you are slow, so they left you behind. We're almost there. Labaw. Okay. Queen Obo. Yan yung kubo niya. So yan po ay siya yung 2.5 overnight. Pero wala po siyang aircon. Okay, ito po wala rin aircon. Ito rin wala. Oh, sayang walang ano. Ulit lang siya no. Para siyang ano kuns. So ang mga bathroom nila nasa labas. Yan po si Kuya Manalo. Ang cute naman dito. Ata yung nagbabato. Oh, somebody is in there. That's cute. Who's in there? Oh. Eh, wala pala siyang susi. It's only the aircon price 3.5. That's not bad. Wala yung susi din? Malayo. There's a monkey. Ay, sayang naman po yung Manalo. Ano pong pangalan ng resort ko yan? Ano ko na lang mamaya. So this is the area, guys. The call in this place is Talahe. You have to go to Lobo way. This place is really good actually. Umihi dyan, matamis. This is the place, guys. That's cute actually. That's not bad. It's actually pretty nice because he wants us, just to come here. That's the name. Is Lamar. Sila Farm. Yes. And this is the cabana. Cabana. So ito ang cabana. It's a one owner where we parked the car. His name is Kuya Manalo. Oh, sarado na ang car. Oh, my chicken. This is another their cabana here. Little spot. Natakbo yung dagat. You guys can also rent this one. Oh, some of them they give us for free. It's not charging us anything. This is one of the beach. They call it Lobo. I mean, Talipan. I don't know what this place is. But the only thing about here in this area of Lobo, it's very rocky. It is rocky. There's a lot of dogs. It's wavy. Yeah. Oh look, you know, ride a bangka boat. Oh, doggy. Oh, it's really this area is still part of Batangas. Oh, RJ, wag ka dyan, makakagating ka ha. There's a lot of islands here. Pasakay! I remember our father had one of those that only broke that time. We're gonna go fishing!
It's dinner.
Woo! Hello! Yan na, malaki. That is cool. I'm washing it. Woo! Oh. This is my that's my other one. No, this is my American slipper. Woo! Yeah. It's nice in here because even this hour it's warm. Chill. Woo! Chill. Whoa! Woo! It's a low tide. Woo! 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 Sino yun? We're having a picnic here. Wow! We're having picnic here. Yum yum. Ooh.
Rice cake.
A rice cake. Today, I'm using my hands. I'm eating like Filipino. There's a lot of doo-doo for the doggy. There it is. sunset. Lot. That purse looks good on you, honey. Looks good on you. Woohoo! The only thing about this area is dudu. Ay, maraming dog dudu. Ida dog dudu o human dudu? I don't know. Saan kayo punta? Huh? Is it over there? It's cleaner. I don't know. I think they have more. I want to go to that truck over there. That's cute. I'm not gonna come up there. So that's what's called sing sing. That means sing sing means is ring. Ring. Look like a eyes, a nose, and a head. Fishing. That's really rocky. Go fishing over there. Ah, they wanna call this rocks. They call it ring rock. Smooching ring rock. I think this is Thai place rocks. Oh, see somebody here. Oh. No yet. Adapt. Accidents happen. Makulit pa tanda, she wants to climb. No. Peace out. Punta kayo dun. Picture. The picture. So this rock called ring rock. Looks like a head. Ganito kayo, point nyo si Rax. I-point nyo si Rax and then tumingin kayo dito sa akin. Okay. Ano ka naman? You're hiding. My. Talaga matanda ka. Cheers! I cannot see you. Wow! Oh, look, nakat si Kuya Manalo.
Ito talagang sariwang-sariwa.
That's a real saliwa fish. It's good for barbecue. Anyhow.
Ay, ihawan daw doon.
Oh.
Yeah, tingnan mo.
Ayan ang mga nahuhuli namin. That's where we catch doon yun na, ganyan nahuhuli namin doon.
RJ, what happened? Zoe! Zoe! What happened?
kang pagsipit.
Sipit.
Tama na yan.
Yung barbecue stick, tinapon mo. Yung tinidor ko.
Yung barbecue.
Yung barbecue stick, tinapon nyo. Look, they cut the fish.
Fresh fish.
And it's nice na. Nice. Ayan. Mayroon yung laman. This is camera from Sue. It's just nice. It's warm. But it's too rocky. Ha? Why? Oh. He's hot. Mainit-initan. At least naka-swimming tayo. Muntik pa ako matumba eh. Nakasma ako.
Tatawa ko sa'yo. Kung hindi kita ilubog ka doon.
Ay, yung alon ay tinumba ko ay. Tapos nabalik ko ang aking ankle. Nakapaw. Ay ko na.
Dapat hindi
Pangit.
ka lumaban.